Welcome back to Anna Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. I'm going to show you something that might alarm you, and it's inside of here. Yes, I know, look at that. That's absolutely disgusting, and that's like mold or something growing in there. But we're going to take this out. We're going to use some hydrogen peroxide. We're going to get to this baking soda in just a second. And my friend, you want to be doing this? I would recommend at least monthly, or if yours looks really dirty and dingy, or if yours is squeaky clean, just do it as often based on the dirt. So if you're trying to get one of these out, you're going to want to do this because look at this. Look what's happening in here. But wait till I pull this out. We're just going to set you down in the sink right in there. I'm going to be making a video on that. That's why that's laying around there. There's little holes in there. I'm going to show you a quick way to patch those. But on to the task at hand. Let's see if the camera... Oh my word! Look up in here. That is disgusting. Yes, yes, yes. So we're going to take care of this here today using a good old hydrogen peroxide trick. I love this one. So I'm going to take this out here quick and I'm going to fill this up with some hot water. I'm going to dump probably about a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide in there, and then I'm going to eyeball the baking soda. Deodorizing, just a spoonful of baking soda. Medicine go down. Dum, da, dum, dum. I'm going to flip it over like this. Let that soak as long as you can. Got my gloves on for this one. Just gonna get yourself a cleaning toothbrush. You can use this right in here. The combination of the baking soda and the hydrogen peroxide is going to help kill all this bacteria. Clean this out with your toothbrush so that your laundry is actually fresh and clean. So I'm gonna do this for just a minute. Oh, let's get up in there, shall we? Oh no, she didn't. Oh, look at all that. This is great because hydrogen peroxide can help with whitening, and that's what we want here. Now for this part right here. Oh, that mold. Ooh, this comes off so easily when you combine these two things together. Look at that. I can't believe I let that go as long as I did. You ready for something else? Your tray may or may not pop off. Look at this. Look at it. Yes, right in there. And down in here. Okay, now for the really satisfying part. This is looking amazing. I even took a Q-tip and put it inside of there, and we got this right there. Oh yes, that is gross. But look at this filthy water. But it's looking so good. And that looks so much better. I already cleaned the inside out. Give this a whirl. Let me know if you've tried this in that comments box below. Give the video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen next to see some more amazing additional cleaning and life hacks. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.